it's me again, Alpha Ryan. This time I'm going to talk about the pollution of this country. Like and subscribe if you guys want to see more. Also, don't forget to turn on all notifications so you don't miss out on a new upload. So, as a person that respects the nature, I respect all wildlife, land, air, and water. Because practically, plastics are starting to really pollute our oceans, as well as for harming the land-based environment. And air pollution is really kind of starting to cause global warming. And it all has to stop. For people that care about the nature, such as myself and every other person that cares about nature, it's got to consider to start recycling. Stuff that can be wasted, send it off to landfill. But metal, glass, plastic, and a lot of other things can